Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. MusicSnake here, and today I'll be discussing the difference between hardware and software wallets. You might have heard about these two types of wallets when it comes to storing your crypto, but what exactly are they and how do they differ? You'll find out in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. A software wallet is a digital wallet that you can download and install on your computer or smartphone. It stores your private keys, which allow you to access your cryptocurrency. On the other hand, the hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys and is usually connected to your computer or smartphone through a USB cable. Software wallets, aka hot wallets, are easy to use and convenient because you can access them from anywhere with an internet connection. They are also usually free, making them an attractive option for new investors. However, they can be vulnerable to hacking attacks and malware, which could result in the loss of your cryptocurrency. Hardware wallets, aka cold wallets, on the other hand, are physical devices that store your private keys offline. They provide an extra layer of security because they are not connected to the internet, making them less vulnerable to hacking attacks. They also often come with additional security features such as a PIN code or fingerprint scanner to ensure only you have access to your funds. So even if your laptop has malware, your coins will still be secure when you use a hardware wallet with it. That's because with the hardware wallet, you check and approve every single transaction directly on the device, so no one can steal your coins without your consent. However, hardware wallets do come with a cost. They can range from $50 to over $200, making them a more expensive option. They can also be more complicated to set up and use, which can be a deterrent for new investors. So which one should you choose? Ultimately, it depends on your needs and preferences. If you're new to cryptocurrency and only invest in a small amount, a software wallet might be the best option for you. However, if you're holding a significant amount of cryptocurrency or are concerned about security, a hardware wallet might be the better choice. No matter what wallet you pick, always take extra steps to safeguard your money. Never tell anyone your seed phrase and keep it secure. Your seed phrase is crucial for accessing your crypto in both software and hardware wallets. If your hardware wallet is lost or damaged, don't worry, you can restore it on a new device using your seed phrase. And by the way guys, I've included links to my top picks for hardware wallets in the video description below. If you decide to purchase a Ledger or Trezor wallet through one of my links, I will receive a small commission. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments which wallet you prefer to use and why. Hodl strong, and I'll see you later.
He's in the state, he's not a profession. Crypto creep has the strongest voice of the generation. Crypto blocks, chains, decentralization. Crypto creep is not alone, this is our nation.